Hey! We're back with another video. We are uploading more of these awesome Tesla upgrades, so you can learn more about also. Our products are focused about the minimalistic and the futuristic advanced technology. It's really about the performance of the power front on how smoothly it can open and close. Let's get to the ways how our clients react and the ways that she would use for her car.
Nice. I don't know why they don't have that.
It's right here. So what you do is you just swipe and close. Okay, you can try. Yeah, like that. And also from here, you can use the button here to close. That used to be just a light, now it become a button that you can close.
Oh.
Yeah.
So it's a light and a button.
You're right at that
So
side.
it's right at the dip over there.
You learn more time.
Yeah, it takes a little bit of time to learn where it's at.
If you need installation service, please call Yahasan at 408-883-1999 and also visit our website at www.yahasan.us. For exact cost of your installation, please fill in the contact form for a quote. We are currently servicing in California. If we do get enough interest, we will be able to provide nationwide installation service. We highly recommend to have our Yahasan team to install for you because we offer 2-year factory warranty, and also within the 2-year factory warranty, we cover technical support services. Let us know in the comment below which function do you like the most. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to see more upcoming videos.